Sure is quiet out there.
Yeah, too quiet.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
Striker, you're coming in too fast.
I know.
He knows.
Just kidding.
There he is.
Below 700 now, still going down. 675, 650, 625. He's holding. He said, no, he's down.
Watch your speed.
He's coming right at us!
Coming in too hot. Striker, now listen to me. Remember your brakes and switches. Get ready to flare it up. Sound your alarm bell, now.
All right, now everybody, get in crash position.
Put down 30 degrees of flat.